friends. Today we will be discussing about biofertilizers and biomanures which contribute for the overall development of organic farming in our country. You all know that during the later 1960s, India has witnessed a major boom in green revolution. Of course, green revolution has contributed fourfold increase in food production. At the same time, the sustained use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides has totally polluted our environment, as well as it deleteriously affected our soil productivity. So in this context, we all have given emphasis on the concept of organic farming, and that is why organic agriculture? Because organic agriculture is a healthy agricultural practices in which we are just taking a lot of biological input for the sustainable crop production. And sustainable agricultural production is an agricultural production which ensures three important aspects of crop production, such as it ensures economic sustainability, environmental sustainability, and finally the social sustenance of farmers. So the organic farming, the best definition which I can give you with respect to organic farming, it is a system of farming natural inputs which is least destructive to our land and ecosystem. So in this farming system, we give emphasis on so many biological inputs like biomanure, green manure, biopesticides, and biofertilizers. So overall in the world, green agriculture or organic farming is having a very good acceptance level, and that is why it is the need of the hour. And moreover, in the entire globe, a lot of awareness is contributing for the overall development of organic farming, and it also leads to the sustainable crop production. So as per the US Department of Agriculture, the definition of organic farming says that it's a production system which avoids largely on the use of synthetic chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and even plant growth hormone. And on the other hand, it emphasizes on the importance of using biomanures, biofertilizers, and biopesticides for the crop production. So what is the importance of organic manures and biofertilizer in soil productivity? If you just look into this picture, you will be able to know that some of the direct benefit of organic manures and biofertilizers, how they are important in improving soil physical, chemical, and biological property. When I say about soil physical condition, how the organic manures and biofertilizers contribute on the soil structure, soil texture, color of the soil, and many other physical parameters like soil aeration, soil water holding capacity, and the other biological activities like how these biomanures and biofertilizers contribute to the development of the soil biodiversity. When we talk about soil biodiversity, it is all about the diverse living organism present in the soil, which again contribute for the overall welfare of crop production. And let me come to my topic of today's presentation, that is about microbial biofertilizer, which is also known as microbial inoculants. So biofertilizers are preparation containing living microorganisms which are added to the soil in order to enhance soil fertility and thereby improve crop productivity. So biofertilizers are widely used as a low-cost inputs for promoting organic agriculture. So we have got diverse forms of biofertilizer available in nature. So we have to find out the right type of microorganism, and that microorganism provide certain beneficial plant nutrients to the crop plants. So biofertilizers can be classified into different types. First of all, based on the type of microorganism we are using, biofertilizers can be classified as bacterial biofertilizer, algal biofertilizer, fungal biofertilizer, and plant growth promoting rhizobacterial biofertilizer. On the other hand, biofertilizers can also be classified based on the type of nutrient which provides. For example, there are certain microorganisms which provide nitrogen. So we can call them as nitrogenous biofertilizer, and similarly some other microorganisms contribute for the production of phosphorus. So they are categorized as phosphate solubilizing microorganism. So when coming back to the nitrogenous biofertilizer, so we have got a diverse type of nitrogenous biofertilizer, starting from the symbiotic nitrogen fixing microorganism, which are having a close association with a certain leguminous plants. The typical classical example I can give you is that of Rhizobium. Rhizobium is a bacteria which harbors on the roots of leguminous plants, where they fix the gaseous atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate and nitrate compounds. So the plants can absorb only this soil available form of nitrate and nitrates for its growth. And apart from Rhizobium, Bradyrhizobium and Xenorhizobium are other forms of symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria. And when we come back to the other non-symbiotic nitrogen fixing bacteria, which are also known as free living microorganism, free living bacteria, which can also convert the gaseous nitrogen into nitrate compounds, and the classical example for them are Acetobacter and Azospirillum. So apart from bacterial biofertilizer, we have got a couple of algae. They are also capable of fixing nitrogen. The classical example for this nitrogen fixing symbiotic algae are the example of cyanobacteria. Under cyanobacteria, we have got nostoc and anabina as a very good candidate for promoting soil nitrogen requirement. And the third category is a water fern, rightly known as Azolla. So Azolla is a water fern, and in the roots pockets of Azolla, this anabina resides, and because of this anabina's association, the anabina can synthesize nitrogen and donate nitrogen to the soil. And apart from this, we have got some other form of biofertilizers, and that include the phosphate mobilizing and phosphate solubilizing bacteria. There are two categories of phosphate mobilizers and phosphate solubilizers. The classical example for phosphate mobilizing microorganism is a fungus by name Mycorrhizae. So these are about the different types of bacterial biofertilizer I have already discussed, and apart from that, Mycorrhizae is a very good candidate as mobilizing the soil phosphorus to the plant group. You all know that Mycorrhizae, by definition, Mycorrhizae is a fungi which symbiotically lives in the roots of higher angiospermic plants. So both the fungi as well as plant roots get benefited out of this association, and the fungal mycelium, the fungi can mobilize the unavailable phosphorus which are present in the deeper strata of soil to the plant root and provide phosphate nutrition to the plant. On the other hand, the plant root provide some form of carbohydrates and sugars for the overall growth of Mycorrhizae. And apart from that, there are yet another group of bacteria which also involved in phosphate solubilization activity. That means usually when the phosphorus is present in the soil, plant may not be able to, because they are present in the form of insoluble form. So the bacteria can convert this insoluble form of phosphorus into soluble form, and thereby the plant get a better nutrition. And another important microorganism is a fungus by name Trichoderma. Trichoderma is also helps in phosphate mobilization and solubilization, and it has another role in agriculture, organic agriculture. On one hand, this Trichoderma can be considered as a very good candidate as a biofertilizer. On the other hand, the same organism has as a dual role of combating certain soil pathogens as a biocontrol agent. So Trichoderma, on one hand, it can be used as a biofertilizer. On the other hand, it also suppresses the growth of plant pathogenic microorganisms which are present in the soil. So this is about the Trichoderma culture. Now the people are, especially the farmers, are growing Trichoderma in their own houses or in their own farmhouses, so that it's a low cost bio inputs which can contribute for organic farming. And the method of application of biofertilizer, I told you that we have got algal biofertilizer, we have got fungal biofertilizer, we have got bacterial biofertilizer. So the biofertilizer are nothing but the preparation containing live microorganism. So these microorganisms can be just, you can make a slurry of this microorganism. To that you can add seeds. So one method of applying the biofertilizer is by seed treatment or seed inoculation method, and the best example is the rhizobium preparation which we get from the concerned bio manure production or biofertilizer production lab. You can take that, you can make a slurry, put the leguminous plant seeds in that, then the seeds has to be dried, and then such seeds, inoculated seeds on planting, the rhizobium will have a close vicinity with its root and thereby its help in the process of nitrogen fixation. The second method, you prepare the biofertilizer slurry. To that, the crop plant's root has to be immersed, and then you just plant them in the field. So the microorganism, the biofertilizer, that respective microorganism has got a close vicinity with the plant root. And the third one, as usual, like any other organic manure or fertilizer, you can just broadcast or you can put it in the base of the crop plants, so they will get the nutrients. Some of the advantages of biofertilizer, as I already told you, biofertilizers are eco-friendly preparation which are meant to enhance soil productivity and soil fertility. Crop productivity and soil fertility. And second thing, all the biofertilizers improve soil physical, chemical and biological property. And third one, the preparation of biofertilizer in the farm level itself is a very good agro-based micro enterprises by which people can generate income. And the fourth important advantage, many of this biofertilizer you can mass multiply by using locally available cheap crop residues. And finally, one of the another important advantages of using biofertilizer never ever create any kind of environmental pollution or the so-called, you all know the problem related with eutrophication, the accumulation of phosphorus and nitrogen in the water body, and thereby it suppresses the growth of aquatic forms. And not only that, biofertilizers are slow nutrient releases. That means that is why when you apply this type of biofertilizer, most of the nutrient loss can be avoided. And application of biofertilizer have considerable importance in the sustainable agricultural production, and the product produced by using biofertilizers you will have more yield, more taste, more keeping quality. And I can rightly tell you that if you follow biofertilizer in your plant nutrient program, you can produce a healthy, safe to eat food, and we can minimize the extent of the disastrous side effects caused by the so-called chemical pesticides and fertilizer. Thank you.